Hi children. In previous class, we already discussed about some topics about great inventions. They are how the early man had discovered the fire. He rubbed two stones against each other and then he created the fire. After that, he learned how to cook food also by using the fire. Uh, Fire was the milestone of the human development. Fire was the milestone of the human development. It was the milestone in the human development. Next, we will know about transportation, water transportation. Next, we will discuss about water transportation. Which mode of transport is this? This is the water mode transport. Which type of transport? Water mode transport. Which invention laid the foundation for this transportation? Now we will see. The early man had need to cross the streams and rivers in search of food. In the olden days, in previous days, he had a need to cross the rivers and streams to search food. But he had no choice to cross the stream because there was no transportation in that time. So he used some wooden logs to float on water. He used wooden logs. Later, he learned to make some by using tree trunks. He made steer rafts and reed boats and dugout boats. Initially, he used wooden logs to cross the streams, but later he learned steer rafts and reed boats and dugout boats by using tree trunks. By using these boats, he crossed the streams and rivers. That is the foundation to invent the water transportation, such as ships, boats, like this. Next, we will see about agriculture. We know about agriculture. See, agriculture. How the early man developed agriculture. First, initially, he used a nomadic life and he moved on from one place to another place to search the food. But later, he had settled life and he selected river banks for the settled life. Okay. First, he started before starting agriculture. How he learnt this agriculture? This agriculture was the turning point of the human development. He used some tools also for this agriculture to tilling the land, to reaping the land. He invented some tools also for this agriculture, and he cleared the land with by using fire also. Before the invention of the agriculture, he was a hunter and gathered food, and he moved on from one place to another place. Later, he developed agriculture, and he learned. He domesticated animals also, and it leads to live sedate life. And for the agriculture, he developed some tools also for tilling and reaping. This is the agriculture was the milestone in the human development. And he cleared the land by using fire. Next, we see about wheel. How the early man invented the wheel. He had faced difficulty to carry heavy loads from one place to another place. But once he observed some wooden logs and some of the tree trunks rolled down very easily. So rolling round objects could be rolling down very easily and without much effort. He had observed this. He had observed round objects could be moved very easily without much effort. That is the idea to invent the wheel. Starting wheels were made with stones and tree trunks. Starting wheels was made with tree trunks and stones. Next, we talk about gradually scientific knowledge through the technological development. Different wheels are made with different materials in new designs that can suitable for different vehicles for different purposes. That is about the wheel first. Now we see about steam engine. Now we discuss about steam engine. In page number 58, children observe these factories. These factories are run with the wind and water. These factories are covered with water and wind. Both water and wind powers are unreliable. That means we get continuous supply of these natural resources. So steam engine. This steam engine invented by James Watt. Who is the James Watt? James Watt invented this steam engine by using steam because it is the unreliable power. So he invented steam engine by using steam. How he get this idea? One day he observed the kettle. He observed the steam come from the boiling kettle and it could push the lid of the kettle. So he observed one thing, the steam also had a power. Steam also has a power. So this idea led the foundation to invent the steam engine. And steam can run machines and factories also. So this is the idea to invent the steamboats and locomotives also. Through this, after the invention of steam engine invented by James Watt, locomotives and steamboats also invented. After the invention of this steam engine, locomotives and steamboats are also invented by using the steam. Okay, this is about steam engine. Steam engine that was invented by James Watt. Next, we know about printing press. Printing press. This was invented by Gutenberg. How to read? We all read by using textbooks and papers. How these papers was made? These papers made with wood pulp. Paper was made with wood pulp in factories. These papers made with wood pulp in factories. And how these letters was printed on these books? By using the printing press that was invented by Gutenberg. Understand? Paper is made with wood pulp in factories, and the letters on the papers was printed by using printing press that was invented by Gutenberg. Printing press invented by Gutenberg, and steam engine was invented by James Watt. Next, now we see about electricity. Can you imagine our life without electricity? Nowadays we all depend on electricity because so many devices and so many appliances couldn't work without electricity. For example, mobile phones, TV, computers, like home appliances also, mixer, grinder, all these appliances need electricity to work. So we couldn't imagine our life without electricity. How the electricity, now we see about electricity. He is the Michael Faraday. He invented dynamo or generator which generate electricity by mechanical means, which create electricity through the mechanical means. He invented that dynamo and generator. He is the Michael Faraday. He invented the dynamo or generator. That means it produces electricity by mechanical means. That means dynamo means it produces electricity by mechanical means. That was invented by Michael Faraday. This is about electricity. Now we see about bulb. Who invented bulb? Bulb invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Bulb also it gives light in our home or anywhere. Bulb gives light on our surroundings. So that was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Bulb also very essentially in our daily life. So that was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. This is today's class. In next class we will see another great inventions, and we will talk about another great inventions. Thank you. Children, good morning. How are you? I hope all of you doing well. Today class for 4th class students. Today topic great inventions. In this lesson we will know about some of the great inventions invented by some of the great people. Before knowing the lesson, first we have an introduction. Nowadays we are all using modern appliances in kitchen like fridge, mixer, grinder, vacuum cleaner, fan. All these appliances made our life very comfortable. But in olden days the same work has been done with some of other objects. These are the objects. The same work has been done with these objects, but nowadays we depend on these modern appliances worked through the power. Okay, in this lesson we know about these great inventions which made our life comfortable. Okay. These are the result of technological advancement. These appliances and these modern devices are the result of technological development. What is the meaning of technology? Technology means it is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. What is the definition of technology? Technology means it is the application of scientific knowledge. It is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. That means technology is nothing but putting science to solve real life problems. Technology is nothing but putting science into solve real life problems also. Okay. Next, the sequence of technology development led to many great inventions. The sequence of development led to many great inventions. In this lesson, how the great people invented great inventions, how they influence our life also we have to discuss in this lesson. Before that, first we see fire. How the fire was invented, first we will discuss. How the fire was invented, the early man had discovered the fire. How he discovered this? Once upon a time he observed, perhaps maybe he observed the nature under natural fire. One day the lightning and thunders, during rain, thunders and lightning struck a tree. So in that time he observed the fire. Later he learned how to cook food also. One day he smelled meat smell by cooking, by burning in the fire. He felt that that smells very good. Later he rubbed two stones against each other, and in that way he found fire. Okay, he found fire by rubbing two stones against each other. In this way he found fire first. Later he used this fire to burn the meat, and in this way he learned cooking also. Okay, this is about fire and cooking. How the early man had discovered fire, and how the early man learned food also.